Kitchen. Today I'll be unboxing the Mayer MMSM101 Stand Mixer. Before we get into this video, remember to subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen if you found this video helpful and if you're interested to buy this product. The link to this product will be in the description below, so go down there and check this product out if you are interested. So I will show you everything that is inside this box, so come right with me and let's get started with today's video. Okay, the mixer is now out of the box. We got this silver color. This comes in two different colors, red and silver. I think both of them look very good, but silver will match our house and everything that we have on our countertop. It also matches the oven, which is also in a black and silver color. So I'm happy that we got the silver color. And so I will take off the plastic now so that you can see the stand mixer. So the first thing we need to do to take out all this here, we have to press this button, which is the eject button, to remove this to move up. So once we press it, it will just move up like this. So now we just open it like that. And then the power cord is here, which I'm just going to take it out of the way. Alright, so this is the splash guard that comes attached with the mixer itself. So now I'm just going to remove the bowl. And everything that comes with this is inside this bowl already. And I'll show you what is inside the bowl. So everything comes safely packed in plastic. This is a 5.5 liter stainless steel bowl. I'm gonna take off the cardboard, and inside comes all our attachments. So this comes with 3 attachments. One of it is the paddle attachment, the dough hook and the balloon whisk. So this is everything that comes inside the box. Okay, the stand mixer comes with 6 speeds from 0 to 6 and also has a pulse function. So from the mixer here itself, it's printed on 1 to 4 speed with the paddle attachment is for cakes, 1 to 3 speed with the dough hook is for breads and bakery things, and 4 to 6 speed is for the balloon whisk where you're trying to beat egg whites or making a pudding here on this. So that is everything. This is very simple to use. Anyone can use it. Even beginners who are just starting off with baking can use this because it's very simple. You didn't even have to read the instruction manual because there's nothing to this. It's super simple to use. So don't be worried, you can definitely use this even if you're not very comfortable with baking. Okay, now I'll do a short demonstration with just one of the attachments so you can see how this works. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on the bowl. And you can just twist it so that it's tight. Then I'm going to be using the paddle attachment to show. So it's very simple. You can just put this in and then twist it, and it's locked tightly and it will not fall out. So the next thing we have to do to bring this down is to do the eject button here, and it will move down by itself and you will hear that click once it's locked in place. So now I'll turn on the mixer. So the mixer is now on and I will show you the speed function. So right now it's on function 1 and it can go up to function 4 up to 6 as well. Now one unique thing that this stand mixer has is a pulse function. I haven't really seen that other stand mixers have this pulse function, so I'll show it to you now. So that's the pulse function. And one more really good thing about this stand mixer is it has anti-slip feet just like the personal blender, which means it will be stuck to your countertop and it will not move even while it's mixing anything that is inside it. And also, the anti-splash guard is super useful. There's also a hole here so that even though while it's mixing, you can still add in your ingredients. So this is very useful. It means that when you add in a lot of flour or sugar, it won't come flying at your face. The other 2 attachments work the same exact way the paddle attachment works, so I won't be demonstrating it. And if you're interested to buy this product, the link is in the description. You can click on it and check this product out. After this, it will roll to a montage where I will show you everything close up and so that you can see everything that is in this stand mixer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions about this product, let us know in the comments down below and we will be answering you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.